Hey guys, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. I'm here in our warehouse in Bloomington, Minnesota, where it is negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. Yeah, that's great. So we're not going to make the guys go out and install in this weather, but we are going to take you back in time to last week, where it was a balmy 8 degrees. And we're going to head to the beautiful city of Edina, Minnesota, where we're doing an installation for Craft Homes. This is a new house build. We're going to be adding our windows and door to the porch. So let's get to it. Hey, thanks for checking out our video today. The installation went well. I don't know if you could tell from the video or not, but it was really windy out there. And so much so that the wind blew our tripod over and one of the iPhones went tumbling down the deck stairs, so that was awesome. But fortunately, Apple Care. Thanks, Apple. We got it all wrapped up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. In the description below, we'll link to another video that has a lot of great information on determining the best size of windows for your screen porch, how to lay out the framing and all that good stuff. We also will have a link below for a detailed set of instructions if you're the type that likes to read 14-page documents that tell you how to do things. We got that for you. Thanks again for checking out our video, and we'll see you on the next one.